Can the brain perceive things beyond the normal limits of our senses? From precognition to telepathy, psychic phenomena have baffled scientists for centuries. Today, we'll explore the latest neurological research on how the brain might be capable of perceiving paranormal events. Could there be a hidden connection between mind and mystery? Psychic phenomena cover a wide range of abilities such as telepathy, clairvoyance, precognition, and even psychometry. These experiences often seem to defy the natural laws of physics, but could they have a neurological explanation? Are these abilities products of an overactive imagination, or might our brains be tapping into something beyond the ordinary? Recent advances in neuroscience have uncovered just how complex and adaptable our brains really are. The human brain is capable of processing vast amounts of information, often outside of our conscious awareness. This extra processing could explain some psychic phenomena, like the ability to sense when someone is staring at you or predicting an event before it happens. One theory is that psychic experiences might stem from the unconscious mind. The brain is constantly gathering sensory data, some of which we're not even aware of. This data could form patterns or provide clues about future events, and we may interpret them as psychic insights. For example, when we sense danger or someone's emotions without them speaking, it could be our brain picking up on subtle cues we don't consciously process. Some researchers point to specific brain regions that may be linked to psychic experiences. The temporal lobe, for instance, is associated with perception and memory, and its irregular activity could lead to vivid, dreamlike experiences that people interpret as precognition or visions. Another intriguing area is the pineal gland, often called the third eye, which has been historically linked to mystical experiences. Could these regions be responsible for heightened perception, or even abilities that seem paranormal? Our brains are remarkably plastic, meaning they can rewire and adapt based on experience. Could neuroplasticity allow for psychic abilities to develop in some individuals? While there's no direct evidence that telepathy or precognition are biologically wired, the brain's adaptability might make it possible for certain extrasensory abilities to emerge through intense practice, heightened awareness, or specific neurological conditions. While some scientists are open to the idea that our brains may have untapped potential, skeptics argue that what we perceive as psychic phenomena can often be explained by psychological factors, such as coincidence, misperception, or confirmation bias. Controlled experiments have failed to replicate psychic phenomena consistently, leaving the scientific community divided on whether these experiences are truly neurological or simply the result of a tricked mind. So, are psychic phenomena a product of our brains processing information in ways we don't fully understand? Or are they just another mystery beyond the reach of science? While the research is ongoing, one thing is certain: the human brain still holds many secrets. Could our minds be capable of perceiving the paranormal? Only time and science will tell. What's your take on psychic phenomena? Let us know in the comments.